Hello YouTube, I will today introduce how to hang this wall to this white stuff. And this is very simple, but you need to push very hard. Sorry. You pull up. If you pull up this, you can easily take off this wall, and you see the 8 holes here, and you can put this any hole, so you can choose which hole you want to hang this whatever. Well, I think my explanation is not enough, but you see the video and this is very simple, so I hope you understand. And a woman can easily hold this up, so you can install without any tools, any like machines, whatever. It is very simple, and you need only your strength. Yeah. So I hope you this video gives you any information you wanted. So see you